Come on.
Morning.
Hello.
Hello. Can I see your tickets, please? Thank you. Yes, it's on the left side if you turn around, yeah? Where are the toilets? On the right side. But please hurry up because the plane wants to take off now. Hello. How are you? On the right side, left one, yeah?
And can I see the driver of the plane?
I don't think it's possible.
I love men
Hurry up.
in uniform.
Yes.
First class, beautiful boy.
I wait for 3 hours and I would like to sit down now.
Thank you. On the first one, yeah? So welcome everybody to our flight 777 from Sydney to New York. I would like to welcome you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, okay? So right now we are going to take off.
Ding.
Yes, please.
I want something to drink right now.
I don't think it's possible right now because the plane wants to take off, sorry. But later on, okay?
Excuse me.
Yes.
I have a question. Do you mind if I sit beside you?
Yeah. Wait, one moment, I'm going to check. Yeah? Well, I think it's possible. It's just sit there. It's available.
I want some water.
Okay. I'm
No.
from the stewardess. Stewardess!
Yes, please.
My wife wants something to drink.
Okay.
Some water and maybe a warm towel.
Okay.
Now.
She's pregnant.
Oh, yeah.
So, the water.
No, I want something to eat.
And
Something to eat, please!
yeah, I will look first.
Stop it. It's so annoying. You are screaming all the time. I'm fed up.
Hello, beautiful
What? Jack.
And what do you do now? You have a pretty picture.
Yeah.
And you are not very talkative.
Leave me alone. I don't want to speak. Where is my food?
I don't know. Stewardess, the food!
Yes.
I said I wanted something to eat.
Yeah.
I want oysters and mussels.
Oh, well, we don't have any oysters or mussels here on the plane, but I can recommend you some vegetables and some rice if you like.
It's disgusting. I want mussels and oysters right now, okay?
I don't think they serve oysters and mussels here. We are on the plane.
I don't care. I want mussels or I will leave.
I don't think it's possible to leave the plane right now because you're in the plane. So,
Stop! I've had it.
Oh my god!
If someone moves, I kill everybody, okay? I want to go to the toilet. I don't care! Back off! I say nothing!
Oh my god! No, Jack! She's pregnant! You're not allowed! Think about the baby! She's innocent! But the baby!
Let me, I'm pregnant! I'll kill you!
No.
I feel bad! I have an infection! Oh my god, the baby ring!
Oh my god! Is there a doctor here, please, for help?
everything's alright?
Look at this beautiful woman!
No!
It's gonna be alright!
I think the baby, aren't you?
Oh my god.
We can go to toilet? And repeat, but I'm good.
Please calm her down. Please talk to her, yeah? Yes.
Look at them together.
So, first give you an injection.
No.
Okay.
It's easy for you! Okay. No. Press. And push. Press. Last one. Press and breathe.